In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Calendar in ClickUp. The Calendar in ClickUp is your at-a-glance planner. It pulls in tasks that have due dates and lets you see what's coming up today, this week, and beyond. If you're ever unsure where to find it, don't worry. There are just 2 simple actions to get there, and I'll walk you through them with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open ClickUp on the web or in the desktop app and head to the overview area of your workspace. Depending on how your account is organized, you might see this labeled as My Workspace or within a specific team space. Either way, you're looking for the overview page, the home base that summarizes what's happening in that part of ClickUp. If your left sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge to expand it so you can see your spaces and the overview option. Click into the relevant space, then choose Overview. This puts you in the right place to access the built-in views. Once you're in Overview, look across the top of the page for the view options. You'll typically see choices like List, Board, Gantt, and Calendar. Go ahead and select Calendar. That's it. You're in the calendar view for that workspace or team space. A few pointers to make the most of what you're seeing. The calendar only shows tasks with due dates, so if something is missing, add a due date to that task and it will appear. Use the view toggles to switch between day, week, and month layouts, depending on how much detail you need. Filters are your friend. Narrow by assignee, status, or tags to focus on exactly what matters. If you have permission, you can drag a task to a different day on the calendar to reschedule it instantly. You can also show or hide completed tasks to keep your schedule clean, especially during busy periods. If your workspace uses multiple spaces, remember that each overview has its own calendar context. Jumping between team spaces and their overviews lets you scan calendars for different groups without changing any system-wide settings. And if your sidebar feels crowded, use Search at the top of ClickUp to quickly locate the space, then open its overview and the calendar from there. To recap, navigate to the overview of your team space or My Workspace, then click Calendar at the top. With those 2 steps, you'll always know where your schedule lives inside ClickUp.